Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see, is the Vivo Y200 worth buying? Now the Vivo Y200 comes with a 6.67-inch AMOLED Full HD screen with a 120Hz refresh rate with a peak brightness level which reaches up to 1800 nits. And it also has stereo speakers which gives an immersive video watching experience. Also, the Vivo Y200 is dust and water resistant with a rating of IP64. If we talk about the processor, then the Vivo Y200 comes with the Snapdragon 685, which is not the best in its price range. This processor can handle light gaming, but you can find some lag while gaming. And if we talk about the battery, then the Vivo Y200 comes with a 5000 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging, and it can charge the battery from 0% to 80% full in around 30 minutes. And if we talk about the camera, then the Vivo Y200 comes with a 50 megapixel rear camera with a 2 megapixel depth sensor, which produces good results in good lighting conditions. And it also has a 32 megapixel front camera which produces good photos. The cameras on the Vivo Y200 produce good results considering its price range. Now let's come back to the question, is the Vivo Y200 worth buying? Now, if you want a budget phone for light usage, like for using social media or for light gaming, with a beautiful design and super fast charging, then the Vivo Y200 is worth buying. Now, it is not the best value for your money considering the processor it comes with. And this is it. And this is how you can see if the Vivo Y200 worth buying. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.